In this episode, we're going to use the GroupStack and GroupMerge nodes to simplify the layout in the node graph. We are going to stack the collectionCreate nodes we created in the previous episode. If we hit Tab and type in stack, you'll see that there are no results in the search menu. Sometimes you'll be looking for a particular node without necessarily knowing its name, in which case you can use an asterisk when searching for nodes. For example, type in *stack, which shows all options matching that string. Alternatively, you could use GS, as the capital letters are searched as well. What we want is a group stack which takes in a node of type collections. You can shift middle mouse drag your collectionCreate nodes into its parameters. So a group stack will only take in one type of node at a time. In this case, it's collectionCreate. To add more nodes of the same type, click the plus symbol. This works for nodes that have an input and output port. For those that don't, such as the camera create node, you can use a group merge. You can see what's happening inside of the group merge. If you control middle mouse button click, it's merging all those nodes together. Whereas in the group stack, the nodes will follow each other in a line, hence why they need an input port. So we've seen the use of group merge and group stack, as well as the differences between them.